Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader. Here, let's open a trade following the trend. I wouldn't say it's a especially successful trade, but I think the pullback is over and we will open with the trend again. As you may have noticed, the trend is slowly changing and turning upward, so as I said at the start of the trade, we are mainly opening with the trend. Let's highlight the working area. And look, first we have a pullback, after which the movement goes up again. Then we see another pullback, a touch of the moving average on our Bollinger Band. And then the moment should go up, especially since we see a reversal from the RSI. We see its upward moment since we exited the oversold area at this point. And overall, let's take a look. Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now. We have last few seconds left, and as I said, after a pullback in the trend, we open a trend and the trade closes without any problem making us profitable. At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. Scalping is a meditation through action. It forces you to control breath, thought, reaction. Every minute candle is a mirror of your mindness. You don't need to fight the market, just yourself. That's how growth happens on 1 minute. Here, let's open a long trade. Let's highlight the working area again, and we will open in the direction of the trend again. Look, we had a long pullback here, a pretty good pullback, and the movement touched the lower moving average. Here we see from the RSI that the movement has left the oversold area. Why not open in line with the trend? We also see upward movement in the RSI here. Accordingly, we open in line with the trend and see our overall picture. I am pleased with the result. And in last seconds, our trade will close in profit. I treat 1 minute like surgery: preparation, entry, exit. Every step deliberate. Even my breathing sync with the chart's rhythm. Precision isn't tension, it's focused, and that's how you stay sharp without burning out. Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.